Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, share us your experience with this trade so far, and you can also join my Telegram group for free indicator and also to get a perfect accurate indicator. So today I'm going to explain to you how you can trade with step index and make a lot of profitable trade every day. How you can trade with step index. I'm going to show you an analysis. I'm going to show you a strategy that you need for step index and catch up your profits every day. So now let me show you the settings of the strategy for you. So on my main chart I have the moving average. First one is period of 3, shift of 0, methods to be exponential and apply to typical price. Yeah, then you press on done. So you can pick any of the color of your choice at this particular side. And also I have my moving average too on my main chart. So the period of 60, shift of 0, method to be simple, apply to close. So you can also choose any of the color on this particular side, which is so, but here I have the color of what of this here. So you press on done. So you have the moving average, the third moving average, which is the period of 7, shift of 0, methods to be close and apply to close. So you have your style to be in red color. You can also choose any of your color of your choice. You press on done. Then you move to indicator window 1. We have the stochastic oscillator. The stochastic oscillator, we have the period of 1. The D period is also in 1. We have the slowing method, which is 1. We have the price feed, which is low and high. So we have the method to be simple. We have the white the white color as the background color to be in our style. So don't put any color here, you just use the color of your background. Then you press on done. But before that, we have the level here, which we have the 30, the 80, 20, 50, 10, 90, 85, 15. Just screenshot this particular side because it will show the level of what of your entry. So press on done. Then we have the Ichimoku here. We have the first Ichimoku to be in 9, and we have our next one to be 26. We have our SPAB to be in 52. So you just screenshot this particular side. Now we have only one style here, which is in blue color here. So other style are in color of my background. So you can also set it if you are using black background. So everything I have as a white color here, you need to have it as a black color also. So press on done. So you move to the moving average, the first moving average to be in the period of 2, exponential to be in method, and also we have the previous indicator data to apply to. Then you have the color to what to in this. So then you press on done, and we have the last moving average, which is the period of 130. We have the shift to be 0. We have the methods to be simple. We have apply to close. Then we have the style color to be in blue. So you press on done. So with this now you will have the full indicator on your chart. So let me explain to you how this indicator really help you to trade step index every minute. So this indicator, this strategy really works on every time frames. So and I'm using the last zooming level for this. So if you are looking for the zoom level, so you see now this is the first zoom level. So you just have it in the last one is what we are using to trade this particular step index. So this is our window. We have our main chart to be here. We have our window 1, which I just send out the the settings for you now to be here. So what you need to do by trading this particular step index is very simple. As you know, the first thing I always tell you guys is to first adjust your charting on your screen. You know, you can control this particular thing, so adjust it to the last zone here. So when you adjust it to the last zone, it will help you to easily identify the support and the resistance level, because we are in markets, we have a lot of fake trade that it will always deceive you in order for you to enter, and before you know, you will have find yourself in lost. So but this will always help you to identify that support and resistance zone. You see now, in this particular zone now, you have we have our trade to be here. But if you don't know, if you really check it out on a zooming, another zooming level, you will know that it have, maybe it have reached our 90 or 80 level. But with this now, you can easily identify it because it will not up to this particular level. So you know that the trade can easily easily spike up, and or easily come down with this thing. So let me tell you how I use this particular trade to trade my step index. What I look for every time is the original trade. I look out for the what? For the original trade. So this is a fake trade. This is a fake trade. So now when you have your Ichimoku at this particular level, which is from 85 to my 90 level at this particular zone, my 85 to 90 level particular zone, then you can enter the trade. And when you have your moving average, which is this color, my moving average, when it's joined together with my Ichimoku at this particular spot, then I know that the market is accurate. So I can enter this particular market at this particular level. Now you see, when you enter it at this particular level, you see now that you can easily take down your trade by this. So by this now you will have make a lot of money. So this also works on 1 hour time frames. It works on 15-minute time frames. It works on what? On 30-minute time frames. All you need to do is to get this indicator on this strategy on your on your charts. So look for the original entry. You know, the market might be forming a lot of entry for you, but they are not what? They are not original. Like this, how to discover a entry maybe is an original is when you move your trade from beginning to the end of the of the chart, and you see that is still that particular zone still exists. You see, when you move it from the beginning to the to the end, and you still discover that that particular zone is still is still exists, that is when you will know that that particular market is a is an original zone. You see now, is an original zone. So let's look for more. It happened also in in 15 minutes. We will also check that. You see, but this particular zone, when the two cross together at this particular zone, when it cross together, the same thing will also happen to our moving average at this particular level. And before, and when you check it very well, you see that it's quickly buy the market for very long time. So let's check for more on this. You see, this is another particular zone. The two join together in my in my level, in the level of 20 and 15. And when you check that particular also on your on your main chart, you will see that it happened here. So when you check it and and take up your trade, you really up to buy your trade in the So let's check 15 minutes time frames. Let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. So look for the original entry. You see now we have the original entry here at this particular of 85%. So 85 level. So when you discover that particular, then move it from beginning to the end, is still on that 85 level. So by doing that, then you can easily enter your trade. By doing it, you will have taken a lot of profit coming down to this level. And you see that. So you by checking that, let's check for another one. Maybe we can see, you see there's so many fake entry on market. So if you are not very careful enough for you to determine the one to take, then you might find yourself in lost. So you see this particular zone too, you see. So if you enter it at this particular time now, you see you will have make a lot of profit. So if you are a beginner in this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. And also you can also like and comment on this video. You can also join my Telegram group for you to also meet up a pro like you. Thanks.